Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm making my vegan chicken Alfredo. So here's the ingredients. Let's start. So I am boiling 1 cup, actually 2 cups of cashews. I'm adding 2 cups of almond milk in my blender. This is where I'll add all my ingredients in, starting with the butter, 2 tablespoons of butter, next I'm adding the soy sauce or the liquid aminos. They're both the same. And then I'm adding 2 teaspoons of onion powder and 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 2 teaspoons of garlic salt, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. And one of the main ingredients is the nutritional yeast, which gives you the cheesy flavor. So we're using 4 tablespoons of nutritional yeast. And now to add a little spice, a little fire to it, some cayenne pepper. Yes, put some more. Good. And now we're adding, last but not least, our boiled, softened cashews into the blender. And now we're about to blend it all. Thank you guys for watching.